The Raquel Welch Signature Wig Collection is proud to introduce 3 elegant new wigs that redefine glamour and sophistication. Each modern style reflects Raquel's undeniable sense of fashion, as well as her vision for empowering women to feel their most beautiful. Born to Shine is a fantastic addition to any wig collection. The short, straight, asymmetrical style is both fashionable and versatile, allowing you to wear it for a variety of occasions. The monofilament part and temple-to-temple lace front provide an incredibly natural look, while the heat-friendly, true-to-life fibre allows you to style with a curling iron or smooth with a straightener. Whether you're looking for a new everyday wig or something special for a night out, Born to Shine is ready to wear in seconds. Named for its sophisticated flair, black tie chic brings a touch of special occasion styling to your everyday look. Professionally cut layers plus a monofilament top add subtle volume and movement to the hair. Its heat-friendly, true-to-life fibre and temple-to-temple lace front make it a versatile hairstyle that can be easily styled to your preference. Experience for yourself the confidence and glamour black tie chic brings to any occasion. The name Big Spender conjures up images of indulgence, luxury and high style, and that's precisely what you'll get with this gorgeous wig from Raquel Welch. The wavy, shoulder-length style is the epitome of sophistication and glamour, while the monofilament top and temple-to-temple lace front give you a flawless, natural-looking finish. Whether you're heading out for a night on the town, or simply want to add some extra oomph to your everyday look, these modern waves and comfortable fit will make you feel like a true VIP every time you wear Big Spender. The new Raquel Welch Fall 2023 collection, a trio of exceptional wigs, all made with high-quality materials and the renowned attention to detail that has made the Raquel Welch brand the preferred choice of wig wearers for 25 years. From special events to everyday style, from day to night and from every angle, you'll love the way you look wearing a Raquel Welch Signature Collection wig.